Whether a tourist or resident in UAE need a quick UAE SIM or eSIM card without any queues or paperwork, I will show you how to get your Virgin Mobile UAE SIM in minutes. Do watch the video till end. Do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. So this is the website. As you can check, I will leave the link in the description as well. You see it's written join Virgin Mobile instant activation in a snap. If you just click here get started, you will get the process of ordering eSIM or physical SIM if you prefer. For eSIM, just to let you know, your mobile phone should be compatible with eSIM, okay? And you can download their application from the Play Store and App Store as well. Here 6 reasons they have mentioned here. You will like Virgin Mobile because it has got fast 5G network, big savings on 6 or 12 months plan, instant activation with UAE Pass. If you don't have UAE Pass, I have made a detailed video on how to get your UAE Pass activated. You will find the link in the I button. You can just check and create your own UAE Pass. And then nationwide coverage, flexible payment options and cashback rewards that you are going to love it. So in order to get your own SIM card, what we'll do, we'll just click on get started, okay? So as you can check here, Virgin Mobile has got mobile plan plus iPhone, and this is only for the people who are having Emirates ID, okay? And if you're tourist here, you can just apply for a SIM card with passport only. And for home internet, Wi-Fi, you can just click here. Okay, so let's check the mobile plan. We'll click here. Okay, as you can check, the page is loading. And here is the place where you can just build or manage your requirement, okay? And then apply for one SIM card. Apply promo code online to get 3 GB extra data. Like say for you, you need like 20 GB data. And then local calls you need like 100 or 200. And then for international call you need 15 minutes. And this way, want a discount, choose 12 months plans. If you need more discount, you can just choose 12 months of plan. And here, if you just click on 6 months or 1 month, you will get the amount that you need to pay, okay? And then just continue and follow the process, and you can just apply for your SIM card, whether you need a SIM card or whether you prefer for a physical SIM card. You just need to put the location and the delivery person will be there to give you your new SIM card. And for the people who are just tourists here and only having passport, you can just click here. Okay, as you can check, there are a lot of plans. Like for 95.24 you get unlimited data for 3 days, okay? Here you don't get any call, and then 21 GB data for 7 days, 33 GB data per day, 30-minute local call, 20-minute international call. The cost is 142, and you can just check out all the plans and choose as per your requirement and choose the plan, and then continue, follow the process, put your necessary credential, and then you can just get your own SIM card. In this process, you can just follow and get your Virgin Mobile SIM card. I hope you like the video. Do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And yes, the link is in the description and you can get your SIM card very easily.